It's a winter of big gains for the BJP. For the first time in its history, the BJP is looking to stake claim in India's only Muslim-majority state of Jammu and Kashmir. Sources say the party has received support from 6 independent MLAs who also include Sajjad Lone. This, along with its own 25 MLA, takes BJP's tally to 31, making it the single largest party in the state and a natural first choice to form the government. In fact, the party is clear it wants to form a government in Jammu and Kashmir to give development stability and regional balance.
हम जम्मू कश्मीर में भी जहां हमें पहली बार इतनी बड़ी संख्या में वहां पर लोगों ने समर्थन किया है, हम 87 सीट्स में से 75 सीट ही चुनाव लड़े थे, लेकिन हमको सबसे ज्यादा हाईएस्ट मार्जिन वोट शेयर हमारे को मिला है.
The party has opened parallel channels of communications with the PDP and is keen to offer a rotation for the chief ministerial post, with BJP taking claim to the first 3 years in the 6-year tenure. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, along with Arun Singh, has been appointed as the advisor for Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, senior functionaries of the BJP are confident that the party will be able to strike a deal very shortly. With Jaitley likely to meet potential allies on Friday, a decision on the Jammu and Kashmir government could be taken early next week. But a section of the BJP, given PDP's natural alliance with the Congress, is also keen that the party should hold talks with Omar Abdullah's National Conference.
Obviously, the onus of government formation falls primarily on the PDP and the BJP. We are quietly waiting to watch to see what happens. I have submitted my resignation to the Honorable Governor.
With 3 state wins in Maharashtra, Haryana and Jharkhand after he rode into the 7 racecourse road in style, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his trusted man Amit Shah look like an unbeatable combination. And the one popularly dubbed Bania party is now perhaps the only one pan-India. A government in Jammu and Kashmir will be the last frontier that Modi set out to conquer. Priya Singh with Gauri Dwivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.